life of the Igbo person manifested in Things Fall Apart. The storyteller was telling that story from the comfort of his genuine environment, a natural, organic environment that he wanted to portray to the world. I am curious. I am an actor myself. I've starred in a couple of movies. Yes, you would say that, yes, once you get into character, you can take it. Yes, you can, be in character and deliver to expectation. That's the role where we have the directors to make sure that you carry that role. But
Yes.
like this sort of cultural, traditional role, there needs to be a kind of a relationship between the person carrying that major role with the community and the people he's trying to sell their story. So like you rightly said, one would expect Idris, if the part has already been given to him, if he's been